Good day, dear people. In this video, we're going to see Chapter 6, Registration of Charges. Registration of Charges has got 10 sections dealt within, and from section 77 to section 87. Let's see one by one all the 10 sections heading alone. Section 77, Duty to register charges, etc. Section 78, Application for registration of charge. Section 79, Section 77, to apply in certain matters. Section 80, Date of notice of charge. Section 81, Register of charges to be kept by registrar. Section 82, Company to report satisfaction of charge. Section 83, Power of registrar to make entries of satisfaction and release in absence of intimation from company. Section 84, Intimation of appointment of receiver or manager. Section 85, Companies register of charges. Section 86, Punishment for contravention. Section 87, Rectification by central government in register of charges. Now let's see section 77, which is duty to register charges, etc. Section 77, duty to register charges, etc. There are 4 subsections in this section. Subsection 1, it shall be the duty of every company creating a charge within or outside India on its property or assets or any of its undertakings, whether tangible or otherwise, and situated in or outside India, to register the particulars of the charge signed by the company and the charge holder together with the instruments, if any, creating such charge in such form on payment of such fees and in such manner as may be prescribed. Refer Rule 3, registration of creation or modification of charge with the registrar within 30 days of its creation. Provided that the registrar may, on an application by the company, allow such registration to be made. Point A. In case of charges created before the commencement of the company's amendment ordinance 2019, within a period of 300 days of such creation. Point number B. In case of charges created on or after the commencement of the company's amendment ordinance 2019, within a period of 60 days of such creation, on payment of such additional fees as may be prescribed. Provided further that if the registration is not made within a period specified, point number A, in clause A to the first provision, the registration of the charge shall be made within 6 months from the date of commencement of the company's amendment ordinance 2019 on payment of such additional fees as may be prescribed, and different fees may be prescribed for different classes of companies. Point B. In clause B to the first provision, the registrar may, on an application, allow such registration to be made within a further period of 60 days after payment of such ad valorem fees as may be prescribed, provided also that any subsequent registration of a charge shall not prejudice any right acquired in respect of any property before the charge is actually registered, provided also that this section shall not apply to such charges as may be prescribed. Refer Rule 6, Certificate of Registration, in consultation with the Reserve Bank of India. Subsection 2, where a charge is registered with the registrar under subsection 1, he shall issue a certificate of registration of such charge in such form and in such manner as may be prescribed. Refer Rule 6, Certificate of Registration, to the company and, as the case may be, to the person in whose favor the charge is created. Subsection 3. Notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, no charge created by a company shall be taken into account by the liquidator appointed under this Act or the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, as the case may be, or any other creditor unless it is duly registered under subsection 1 and a certificate of registration of such charge is given by the registrar under subsection 2. Subsection 4. Nothing in subsection 3 shall prejudice any contract or obligation for the repayment of the money secured by a charge. Thank you for watching, people, and happy e-learning.